Everything we've done so far has either been in vertex form or factored form. The last form of quadratics that we're going to learn is called standard form. Standard form is just like when we had polynomials and had to put something in standard form. The squared part comes first, the next to the first, and then the constant. The a is the coefficient of the x squared, the b is the coefficient of the x, and the c is the constant, which is a number all by itself. There's a formula to figure out the axis of symmetry from this standard form. This is the formula. So the first thing that we're going to have to do, since we need a and b, is going to be identify what a and b is. So if we match this up, this is the a, this is the b, this is the c. So a is 3, b is negative 12. Plug a and b into the equation. So notice that the equation has a negative sign out in front, and then the b value goes in the top, so negative 12, and then 2 times a, so 2 times 3. If I have negative, negative, that's going to cancel each other out and become positive 12, and then the bottom would be 6, and then I just divide. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So my axis of symmetry is 2. Okay, for this one, there's no coefficient written, so that means our a value is 1, our b value is 6. So when we write our formula, again, we're focusing on this formula, there's a negative out in front, b goes in the top, so 6 in the top, and 2 times a in the bottom. So negative, we have 6 over 2, which is going to give us negative 3. So our final answer is going to be x equals negative 3. For number 3, this is a, this is b. So a is 2, b is 8. X equals negative 8 over 2 times 2. So negative 8 over 4, which is negative 2. So our final answer, x equals negative 2. Number 4, a is going to be 2, b is going to be negative 10. So x equals negative 10 over 2 times 2. Since I have that double negative, it's going to become a positive, and I have 10 over 4. 10 over 4, I'm just going to simplify to 5 over 2, or I could change it to a decimal, and it's 2.5. Either way is okay. So I could either write 5 over 2, or I could write 2.5.